Okay, guys, let's look at question number 2. Right, so this is grade 12. When you look at question number 2, it says the sum to n terms. Remember, so to n terms, it's more like you are starting from 1 to a certain number, right? So it's more like 1 to certain position, 1 to n, right? The sum to n terms of an arithmetic series is given by this value here, right? So we have been given the formula to calculate the sum. How many terms of the series must be added to give a sum of 425? So what you do here basically is, firstly, let's go and rewrite our formula, right? So what do we know about this formula? We do know that this is an arithmetic series, right? So let's say to get your general term of an arithmetic series is given by Tn equals A plus n minus 1 into D, right? Okay, so we are not there as yet. But here we've been given the sum, right? So what's the sum? So the sum is given by n over 2, right? 7n plus 15, right? So far I'm only writing the stuff that we have, or the stuff that we know, the stuff that we've been told. Okay, so there is nothing foreign so far, right? Okay, there's nothing foreign so far, right? What you almost need to do is, because here they are asking you how many terms of the series must be added to give a sum of, meaning that when you're starting from 1, term number 1, right, and then you add term number 2, you add term number 3, how many of those terms do you need to add to get what? To get 425. How many terms? So we don't know. What are we basically looking for here? We are basically looking for the value of n. Okay, we don't know how many terms we need to add, right? But then, so right from our formula, what do we know from our formula? We've been given the sum, which is Sn, right? So here we've been given the sum. So we do know that our sum is basically 425, but we don't know what n is. So we are going to take these values and substitute into the equation that we've been given. So what is the equation that we've been given here? So the equation is, okay, what is it? So the equation is, okay, 15. Yeah, so this is what we do. So the equation is 425 equals n that we are looking for into 7n plus 15, right? So from here we basically solve for n. So that's what we are doing here. Okay, so let's see now, right? Okay, so yes, we're going to apply our algebraic knowledge to solve for n. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. So now let's go. We're gonna take the 2 multiplied by 425, right? Because we are cross multiplying, then we're gonna get 850 equals n into 7n plus 15. All right, and then now what's next here? We're gonna take, okay, we're gonna take yes, let's just expand that, right? So here we've got 7n squared plus 15n. All right, yes, and then now we're gonna put everything to the same side, right? So we've got 7n squared plus 15n minus 850 equals 0. So once you're here, to get your value of n, right, what you need to do is go and use your quadratic formula. Okay, so we're gonna apply the quadratic formula here, right? So our n will be given by minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, right, over 2a, right? So let's take a moment and calculate what we get, right? So we're gonna get minus b, which is minus 15, plus root of 15 squared minus 4, a which is 7, c which is negative 850, right, over 2 times 7. Okay, So I get n is 10. You must get two values, right? And the other one, n is minus negative 85 over 7. So our n must be 10. Why? Because we don't have a negative position. So that's how we go about this question. So that's how we get the values or the value. So meaning that when you add the first 10 terms, the first 10 terms will give you 425.